Hello and welcome back to another Marvel Feature 5 video, and today I'm going to upgrade Luna Snow to Tier 3. As many might have known, Luna Snow Tier 3 skills is bugged because while you are using her Tier 3 skill, when you move the joystick, the Tier 3 skill would disappear and it won't work. But the damage of the tier 3 skills of hers is so high. So today I'm going to upgrade Luna Snow to tier 3. So let's do it. We got to say everything is 25. I haven't add Urus because I want to keep it to the highest. And also I haven't finished this Power of Angry Hulk. Maybe I could do it right now. Yeah. I still haven't got the last 4 of them, so let's just upgrade it to tier 3. And also the custom gear, as usual, CDP of energy. Some of you might use CDP of rage or destruction, but anyway, this is tier 3's video, advancement video. It's quite good. It's quite cool. There we go. And also I got Luna Snow tier 3. Yay. So, I'm sorry. So I am gonna try using Luna Snow tier 3 skill and some world boss. Let's fight Cal Obsidian. Yeah, let's fight Cal Obsidian. Test this one 10 first. So I'm gonna use Luna Snow, of course, and use some weaker ones like this one and this one. It's a good team bonus, but these two characters, my characters are really bad. Anyway, let's do some these and let's get started. So there we go. Starting with a CO play. And then use 5th skill. I just want to be quick and try to use the tier 3 skill on him. So there we go. Let's not touch any joystick. The joystick when using it, and there we go. Let's see how many damage she can deal. Wow, quite a bit. I have an upgrade to Luna Snow with Urus and ISO 8, but it's quite good already. Okay, let's try this again. I quite like it. And it is, even though it's definitely looks better than Man's tier 3 skills, I think, but the damage doesn't reach my Man tier 3 skills level. Maybe about the ISO, so I shouldn't be complaining. But I think overall Luna Snow is really good in tier 3. So if you don't know what to upgrade to tier 3, nix, except for the stronger ones, and stronger ones like Jean Grey, Thanos, or yeah, you could upgrade Luna Snow. But of course, if you got these books, you can upgrade Luna Snow or maybe Deadpool, because Deadpool is also good. even though my next tier 3 is not going to be Deadpool, I think Deadpool's tier 3 skills is quite impressive with the damage and all these stuff. And I really like our Captain America's tier 3 skills too. So, but Luna Snow is much better, I think, for now, because I got Luna Snow's tier 3 skills. But anyway, as you can see, Luna Snow is not really that high damage, but the health, the healing is so good that, there we go, we got another blast book, that it is really useful and it's really hard to kill. So I just want to tell you guys that. And finally, let's use Luna Snow, tier 3 of course, to fight, let's see, Alliance Battle. Unfortunately, I can't play that because the Luna Snow is not actually in combat, because I need a combat to play. So anyway, we could play this with, my main goal is just to check Luna Snow, so I'm gonna use this team, even though I know that Scarwitch, being the team leader, would be much stronger. Anyway, let's see how many minutes does it takes to finish this. Luna Snow's skills are deals a lot of area, like a lot of troops damage, so the big area of dealing damage to troops, but the damage is not really that high. After you go to 70,000 points in Alliance normal battle, but anyway, let's use the tier 3 skill. And also, the old Luna Snow without the uniform is so much weaker, and I really recommend you guys to buy this new, it's not kind of new, but the newest model of Luna Snow uniform. It took me about 1 minute, 2 minutes. Oh my gosh, my math is so bad. 1 minute and 28 seconds, I guess. Anyway, so this is it. This is the end of today's video. I hope you really enjoy it, and please hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.